Which city was officially declared India's first slum-free city in 2025? Right answer is option D, Chandigarh. Which state was formally declared the ginger capital of India by Niti Aayog? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Who received the Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2023 at the National Film Awards 2025? Right answer is option B, Mohanlal. Which was the first state in India to establish a Senior Citizens Commission? Right answer is option A, Kerala. As of December 2025, how many Ramsar sites are there in India? Right answer is option C, 96. Anu Garg was appointed as the first woman chief secretary of which state in December 2025? Right answer is option C, Odisha. Who became the second Indian citizen to travel to space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? Right answer is option D, Subhanshu Shukla. Who was appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Which country did India surpass to become the world's fourth largest economy? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which team won its maiden Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy by defeating Haryana? Right answer is option C, Jharkhand. According to the Lowy Institute's Asia Power Index 2025, what is India's ranking in Asia? Right answer is option C, third rank. Which tiger reserve became India's second largest tiger reserve in August 2025? Right answer is option D, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. Who became the first woman to be appointed as the Union Law Secretary of India? Right answer is option D, Anju Rathi Rana. Which state hosted the 38th National Games from January 28 to February 14, 2025? Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Hansi has been declared the 23rd district of which state on December 16, 2025? Right answer is option C, Haryana. The Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, India's 13th UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Who was appointed as a chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission, becoming the first woman to lead a pay commission in India? Right answer is option D, Justice Ranjana Prakash. Who was appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant. Who was elected as the Vice President of India and assumed office on 12th September 2025? Right answer is option D, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Silisere Lake became India's 96th Ramsar site in December 2025. Is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which city was officially declared as India's first beggar-free city? Right answer is option C, Indore. Who received the National Lata Mangeshkar Award for the year 2025? Right answer is option A, Sonu Nigam. Which Indian NGO became the first to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 2025? Right answer is option B, Educate Girls. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state in August 2025? Right answer is option A, Kerala. The Indus Waters Treaty suspended by India in 2025 was originally signed in which year? Right answer is option C, 1960. Who has assumed charge as President of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry for the 2025 to 26 term? Right answer is option B, Anant Goenka. India has signed agreement with which country to establish its first cross-border rail links? Right answer is option C, Bhutan. India won the first ever blind women's T20 World Cup in Sri Lanka by defeating which country in the final? Right answer is option A, Nepal. Which city was declared as the leopard capital of India on June 5, 2025? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Who was appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India in February 2025? Right answer is option B, Gyanesh Kumar. Who became the first woman officer to graduate from the Indian Military Academy? Right answer is option C, Sai Jadhav. How many individuals were conferred with the Padma Award in 2025? Right answer is option C, 139. Where was the 5th National Conference of Chief Secretaries chaired by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi held in December 2025? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Which are the first two Indian cities to be recognized as wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Right answer is option B, Indore and Udaipur. Which state was declared as the first fully literate state in India? Right answer is option D, Mizoram. Which country did India defeat in the final to win its first ICC Women's Cricket World Cup? Right answer is option C, South Africa. According to Swachh Sarvekshan 2025, which city was declared the dirtiest city in India? Right answer is option B, Madurai. Who assumed charge as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center on August 1, 2025? Right answer is option B, Dr. A. Raja Rajan. Who became the 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps in October 2025? Right answer is option D, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who became the first Indian woman to win the Fight Women's World Cup? Right answer is option B, Divya Deshmukh. Banu Mastaq, who won the International Booker Prize 2025, is the first winner from which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Who was appointed as the 11th chairperson of the ISRO in January 2025? Right answer is option D, Dr. V. Narayanan. India became the world's third most powerful air force by surpassing which country? Right answer is option A, China, which became the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after India's independence. Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. According to the National Annual Report and Index 2025, which city is the safest for women in India? Right answer is option A, Kohima, Nagaland, who was awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for the year 2024. Right answer is option A, Vinod Kumar Shukla, who was reappointed as the Attorney General of India in September 2025. Right answer is option C, R. Venkatramani. President Draupadi Murmu conferred the 2025 Vigyan Ratna Award posthumously on which eminent astrophysicist? Right answer is option D, Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. On November 7, 2025, which anniversary of India's national song Vande Mataram was celebrated? Right answer is option C, 150th. Which Indian was awarded the Champions of the Earth Award 2025 for climate leadership? Right answer is option B, Supriya Sahu. Where was the Youth Spiritual Summit 2025 held from July 18 to 20, 2025? Right answer is option D, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Who became the first Indian to win the Miss Universe title in 2025? Right answer is option C, Sari Singh, who was appointed as the 29th Controller General of Accounts of India. Right answer is option D, TCA Kalyani. Where will India's first dedicated forest university be established? Right answer is option D, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which football club won the 134th Durand Cup in 2025? Right answer is option B, North East United FC. Which institute topped the overall National Institutional Ranking Framework 2025 rankings? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. Yakten village was declared India's first digital nomad village. In which state is it located? Right answer is option A, Sikkim. Which district became India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Diu, who was appointed as the 11th chairman of Securities and Exchange Board of India in February 2025. Right answer is option D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. The Asian Youth Para Games 2025 were held in which country? Right answer is option B, UAE, who was appointed as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in July 2025. Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra. Which state topped the Niti Aayog's Fiscal Health Index 2025 ranking? Right answer is option C, Odisha. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention held in January 2025? Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Simlipal Tiger Reserve became the 107th National Park of India. It is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Odisha. What is India's rank among the 181 countries in the Women, Peace and Security Index 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. Who has been appointed as the Chief of Research and Analysis Wing in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Parag Jain. Where was the first edition of the Khelo India Water Sports Festival held in August 2025? Right answer is option B, Dal Lake, Srinagar. Which country hosted the BRICS summit in 2025? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for Flash? Right answer is option C, David Saleh. Who was appointed as the Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force until November 30, 2027? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.